Hello and welcome to another tutorial video. On this video we're going to be going over the Pixel Perfect app and its configurations or its settings. So first off, we're going to click on this gears icon over here and it's going to take us to our settings and SEO list. So first we have the GDPR configuration. You can set this up over here, you can customize the message, you can configure the language, and you can also select a pop-up. And if you want to activate the GDPR friendly, you can just click over here. If not, you can just return. Next up, we're going to have the sitemap. This is where you can set up your sitemap. You can create one over here by clicking this icon, and it's going to generate this little link over here. You can copy and start creating your sitemap. Next up, we have your general website settings. Over here is where you can enable your CRM. Usually yours will say no at first. Mine, just because I already had enabled it, it said yes. Over here is where you can activate the tablet mode setting, the mobile mode setting, and you can also use scale for the devices. Down here is where your reply email would be at. Over here we also have the app language and how do you want to display your page title. For example, you have layout and page or layout, just the layout, or just the page. I'm just going to leave it at layout and page. And you can also choose which separator you want to put between page layout and the name. Over here I just have the regular one. You can choose it, you can change it however you would like. If you won't like any, you can just choose this blank over here. I'm just going to leave it at that. And you can also choose the background color or just delete it overall. Next up, we're going to have the user management. This is where you can manage the users that have been signed up for your website. For example, the restricted areas or the members access. Over here you can refresh it, you can go to settings, so you can set up the custom fields. You can also do that over here. I'm going to show you guys in a second. You can save it, you can delete it. And next we're going to close this and go to manage user registration fields. This is that tab that I just showed you guys, where you can set up the fields, for example, the email, first name, password, and confirm password. You can also add a field over here if you would like. If not, you can just leave it at that. We're going to go to the next point where it's coupons configuration. You can add a coupon over here if you want. If not, you can just skip this. And also you can manage your action counters. You can add an action counter over here just like the coupons. If not, you can just leave that a blank. These are the settings and the SEO for the Pixel Perfect app. If you guys have any questions, please let us know. Thank you for watching and have a great day.